Of Sana classes. Today in this video, let's know about the power relation in the AM. So in the previous class, we have discussed about the time domain equation in the AM. So we got the equation as V is equal to Vc sin omega ct plus MVc by 2 cos of omega c minus omega m of t by minus MVc by 2 cos of omega c plus omega m of t. So we have three terminologies here, right? One term, two and three. So this term is related to the carrier and this term is related to the lower side band, and this term is related to the upper side band, lower and upper side bands respectively. So if in order to get the power relation in an AM, we have three terminologies, right? Carrier, lower side band, upper side band. So then total power will be also the equation. So the sum of these three terms, PC plus PLSB plus PUSB. Here the amplitude of the LSB and USB are same. If you observe, MVC by 2, MVC by 2. So we can take both as equal. So I commonly take PT is equal to PC plus 2 sideband power. Okay, I'm commonly taking where PSBP is equal to LSB plus USB. Okay, now in order to get the power, so what is the equation power? So V by R, V square by R, right? So what is the voltage that we are having here? VC square by R, but we want to get the power in RMS. So how to represent the RMS? V by root 2, right? So what is the value of voltage here? VC by root 2 whole square R by R. Then total power of the PC. PC is equal to VC square by 2R. This is for carrier power. Now I would like to get for PSBP. Now what is the voltage? This is actually voltage is MVC by 2. MVC by 2. But we would like to get in RMS by root 2. So whole square by R. If you simplify, you will get M square VC square by 8R. So root 2 whole square is equal to 2. So 2 2s are 4. So 4 into 2, 8. So this. So I would like to substitute these both two in this equation to get the total power. So then I get total power PT is equal to, now VC square by 2R plus 2 M square VC square by 8R. Okay, I can cancel this. So I get VC square 2R plus M square VC square by 4R. I can take the common of VC square by 2R. Then I get VC square by 2R of 1 plus M square by 2. So where this VC square by 2R is nothing but our PC. Then total power is equal to PC of 1 plus M square by 2. In order to get the this power relation in the voltages, then we have P is equal to V square by R, right? So then total power, so then VT square by R plus is equal to VC square by R of 1 plus M square by 2, cancelling RR, then we get VT is equal to root of VC square of 1 plus M square by 2. Then I can take VC2 outside 2. So we get VT is equal to VC root of 1 plus m square by 2. This is in terms of voltages. In order to get the voltages in, so the equation in currents, then P is equal to I square by I square R, right? Then so PT is equal to PC of 1 plus m square by 2. Then I square T square IT square plus R is equal to IC square R 1 plus m square by 2. Then RR cancel. Then IT is equal to root of IC square of 1 plus m square by 2. Then I can take IC to common. Then I get IC root of 1 plus m square by 2. This is in terms of currents. So let me also tell you another simple concept, that is the efficiency. Efficiency in AM is nothing but efficiency, it is represented with the neta. So power in sidebands means PSBP by PT into 100. So sideband powers we have in the 2 LSB and USB, right? Then what is the power that we got in the 2 sidebands? M square V square by 8R. 2 into M square VC square by 8R. In percentile I am taking, so that's why 100 into 100 by PT. The total power is PC of 1 plus m square by 2, right, into 100. So I can cancel 4 here I got. So neta percentile is equal to m square VC square by 4R by the total power is PC of 1 plus m square by 2, 1 plus m square by 2 into 100. If I simplify, or I can take the common of VC square by 2R, then I get what I get. See, neta percentile. If I take the V square by 2R as a common, then V square by 2R, that is nothing into m square by 2 by PC of 1 plus m square by 2 into 100. Then this V square by VC square by 2R is nothing but PC, right? Then neta percentile is equal to PC of m square by 2 by PC of 1 plus m square by 2. Then I can cancel this PC. Then I get neta percentile equal to m square by 2 by 1 plus m square by 2. If I simplify this, I get as neta m square by 2 plus m square into 100. If I take m is equal to 1, where the efficiency of modulation is 100%, then the efficiency will be like, no. If I take m is equal to 1, it means 100% of modulation. Then what is the efficiency of that? So efficiency in percentile we get as 1 square by 2 plus m 1 square into 100. So 1 by 3 into 100 equal to 33% of 33.33 percentage I get. So this is about the power relation in AM and also in terms of voltages and currents, and finally the efficiency in AM. This is about the today's class. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.